After passing the anti-scalant injection point, flow passes through the RO high-pressure pump, where the higher feed pressure is created for the RO feed water. After the high-pressure pump, the flow enters the RO's first-stage supply header. This header distributes flow to each of the 11 first-stage pressure vessels. As described in the RO Fundamentals section of this course, the first-stage pressure vessels have two flow paths which exit the other side of the vessel. Flow which has passed through the RO membrane is collected from a tube located in the center of the pressure vessel. This water is called permeate, due to the fact that it has permeated or passed through the membrane. It is also called product water, as it is the purified product water from the pressure vessel. Permeate is collected from all 11 of the pressure vessels in the first stage permeate water collection header. Concentrate flow is the feed water from which water molecules have been removed, with the contaminants remaining behind. The concentration of contaminants goes up due to the loss of pure water. Therefore, this water is called concentrate, as it exits the RO pressure vessels. Concentrate which exits the first stage pressure vessels is collected in the first stage concentrate header. The first stage concentrate passes to the inlet header for the second stage pressure vessels. Feed water for the 5 second stage pressure vessels is provided by flow from this header. As with the first stage pressure vessels, there are two exiting flow paths from each second stage pressure vessel. The flow path, which exits the side of each second stage pressure vessel, is part of the second stage concentrate outlet flow. This flow path consists of the concentrated reject water from the first stage of the RO, which was further concentrated in the second stage of the RO. Second stage concentrate flow is the final reject flow of the RO system when it is in operation. This concentrate can be directed to the discharge water tank, where it can then be transferred to the solid contact unit, or holding pond. Concentrate from the RO can also be sent directly to the neutralization basin, which normally occurs when concentrate is collected during RO cleaning or UF cleaning. Water collected from the middle port of each second stage pressure vessel is permeate water. Once again, it is composed of water molecules which have passed through or permeated the semi-permeable membrane layer of the RO elements. This second stage permeate is collected in a header which combines with the first stage product permeate. Permeate from the first and second stage of the RO travels to the degasifier, where it enters through a line that is dedicated to RO skid 1 or a line that is dedicated to RO